Hi! Let's see how to use a Mini Zerostat Spacer with a Pressurized Metered Dose Inhaler. The Mini Zerostat Spacer has parts like inhalation chamber, mouthpiece cap, mouthpiece, slot to put in the inhaler. Take your inhaler and open the mouthpiece cap. Give the inhaler a good shake. Insert the inhaler into the slot provided in the Mini Zerostat Spacer. Exhale completely. Remove the cap from the spacer, place the mouthpiece in your mouth and seal your lips around it. Press down the inhaler's canister to release a dose of medicine into the spacer. Inhale slowly and deeply. Take the spacer out of your mouth and hold your breath a count of 10 or as long as you're comfortable. Then breathe out normally. Or alternatively, keep your lips firmly closed around the mouthpiece and continue to breathe normally 3 to 5 times. Remember to take one dose at a time. If you need a second dose, wait for a minute and then repeat earlier steps. After taking each dose, rinse your mouth with water and spit it out. That's it. That's all you need to know to use Mini Zerostat correctly. Cleaning instructions and information. Remove the inhaler from the spacer. Soak the spacer in a mild soap solution for 15 minutes and gently stir it. Take out the spacer, shake off the soapy water and rinse it with clean water. Shake out any excess water and allow the spacer to air dry in a vertical position, preferably overnight, before returning to its container. Replace the Mini Zerostat Spacer with the new one after using it for 6 months. For more information on product, refer pack insert or log on to breathefree.com. Or you can call on 987 333 5577.